Now today we discuss some examples related to degree, minute, second. So see question number third. Express the following angles in degrees, minutes and seconds. So number 1, we have to convert 74.87 degree into degree, minute and second form. So we write this as in solution 74.87 degree. So we write this 74 fractional part separately and this 0.87 separately. So we write this 74.87 as 74 plus 0.87. So we write 74 degree separately and 0.87 degree separately. So we convert this degree to minute first. So for converting this degree to minute, we have to multiply by 60. So this dash stands for minute. So we convert this 0.87 degree to minute. For that we multiply to this 0.87 by 60. So this second bracket is in minute form. So we multiply this 0.87 by 60. We get here 52.2. So after multiplying the 0.87 by 60 we get 52.2 minute. So we separate again here 52 minute and 0.2 minute. So we write here this 52 with this 74 degree. So we write here 74 degree and 52 minute, and this 52.2 from which we write 52 minutes separately and this 0.2 minute. Now we reduce the 0.2 minute to second. So we have to multiply the 0.2 by 60 again to convert to second. So converting in second form, we have to multiply the 0.2 by 60. So here we multiply the 0.2 by 60 and instead of minute we write this as in second. So when we multiply the 0.2 by 60 we get here, after multiplying 2 into 60, that is 120. So after converting decimal point, adjusting decimal point, we write this as 12 second. So in this way we write this 74.87 degree into 74 degree, 52 minute and 12 seconds. So we write this as 74.87 degree equals to 74 degree, 52 minute and 12 seconds. So in this way we write given angle. Now see second sub question, minus 30.6947 degree. So we write this minus sign separately. So we write in bracket this 30.6947 degree as 30 degree plus 0.6947 degree. So we write this 30 degree separately and this 0.6947 degree. So we reduce this 0.6947 degree to minute form first. For that we multiply by 60 here. So we write in second step this degree to minute form by multiplying 60. So when we multiply this term by 60 we get here 41.682 minute. Now again we separate this 41 minute and this 0.682 minute. So we write this as 41 minute plus 0.682 into 60 second. So we multiply by 60 we get here 40.92 second. So again we separate this 40.92 second and this 41 minute and 30 degree. we have to write separately. For that we have to round up this value 40.92 second to 41 minute. So we write this 41 second as from 40.92. So see here, 30 degree plus 41 minute plus 41 second. So we write this as approximately because we round up here. So when we multiply by minus sign to each term, so we write here minus 30 degree, 41 minute and 41 second. So in this way we convert this minus 30.6947 degree to minus 30 degree, 41 minute and 41 second. Conversion is simple. Now see question number 4. The measures of the angles of the triangle are in arithmetic progression. You know the arithmetic progressions. When in a sequence consecutive difference is constant, then that sequence is in arithmetic progression, that the terms in sequence are in arithmetic progression. You studied in class 10 arithmetic progression. The smallest angle is 40. Find the angle of triangle in degree and in radians. So first we have to find the two remaining angles of triangle whose angles are in arithmetic progressions, and then we have to find degree and radian form. That means we have to convert degree to radian form. Now see here, in solution first we consider three angles as a minus d, a plus d. So a minus d is the first term, a is second term and a plus d is third term. That means this a minus d, a plus d, if we take the difference we get difference as small d. Now here we know that if we add all the angles of a triangle we get its sum as 180 degree. So when we add these three angles, this minus d get cancelled with this plus d, so we get a plus a plus a, that is 3 times a equals to 180 degree. So we write here 3a equals to 180 degree, from which we write a equals to 60 degree. When we divide both sides by 3 we get a equals to 60. Now one angle we know, the smallest angle is 40 degree. So using this here a minus d is the smallest angle because this is in increasing order. So a minus d equals to, we have to take 40 degree, sorry. So we write here also smallest angle equals to 40 degree, that is a minus d equals to 40 degree. Now we have value of a as 60 degree, so we substitute a equals to 60 degree here. So we write here 60 degree minus d equals to 40 degree. When we transfer this minus d to right hand side and transfer this 40 to left hand side, we get 60 minus 40, that is equals to 20. So we write d equals to 20 degree. Now we know the value of a, we know the value of d, we substitute these values in our considered terms, a minus d, a plus d. So we get here a plus d as 60 plus 20 equals to 80, because we already know the smallest angle, that is value of a minus d, which is 40 degree. Value of a we calculate, which is 60 degree. So we get here three angles 40, 60 and 80. Now we have to convert this degree to radian forms. So we write in radian form for 40 degree. So we convert this degree to radian form. For that we have to multiply to this 40 by pi upon 180, so as to convert into radian form. So we simplify this 40 and 180. So we get here to pi by 9, which is in a radian form. Similarly, we have to convert this 60 degree to radian form. So we multiply by 60 by pi upon 180. So after simplifying, we get here pi by 3, and for last 180 degree we write here 80 degree as 80 into pi upon 180. So after simplification, we get here 4 pi by 9 radian. So in this way, first we find the angles of a triangle and then we convert degree to a radian form. Now see question number 5th. The difference between the two acute angles of a right angle triangle is 7 pi by 30 radian. Find the angles of the triangle in degree. So here given angle in radian form, and one more condition is here, difference between two acute angles of a triangle difference between two acute angles of a right angle triangle is 7 pi by 30 degree. So here right angle means one angle is 90 degree. So we use that two properties here. So for that we have to take two angles. So we take here in solution, let x and y be the acute angles of a triangle in degrees. Now this x and y, their difference we have to take 7 pi by 30. So we write here x minus y equals to 7 pi by 30. So we reduce this in degree form because we state here x and y be the acute angle of a triangle in degrees. So we convert this 7 pi by 30 in degree form. So for that we have to multiply by 180 by pi. So this pi get cancelled. After simplifying this, we get 42 degree. That means difference between two acute angles of a right angle triangle is 42 degree. So here we get one equation, x minus y equals to 42. So we denote this as equation number 1. Now given triangle is right angle triangle, that means their sum must be equals to 90 degree because all angle sum equals to 180. So we write this condition, x plus y equals to 90 degree, which is equation number 2. Now from equation 1 and 2, if we add equation 1 and 2, directly you can see this minus y get cancelled with this plus y. So x plus x, you can write twice x, or you can write in this way also, left hand side add with left hand side, right hand side add with right hand side. So we write here. So this minus y plus y get cancelled. From this you can write twice x is equals to, after adding 42 with 90 we get 132. So we get here value of x, which is equals to 66 degree. Now we have to substitute this x equals to 66 degree in equation number 1 to obtain value of y. So we put in equation 1 x as 66 degree here. So we get here y is equals to 66 minus 42. When we transfer 42 to left hand side, we get here y is equals to 24 degree. So we write here the angle of a triangle are 66 degree, 90 degree and 24 degree. Now we have to find the angle of triangle in a degree. So there is no need to convert this degree form into radian form. If question asks find the angle of a triangle in degree and radian form, then like previous example we have to write this 66 degree, 90 degree and 24 degree in radian form.